In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop copy trading on eToro. If you've decided you no longer want to copy a particular investor, the process is fairly simple, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect. Before you make any changes, it's a good idea to understand that stopping a copy relationship can affect the positions tied to that investor, depending on the option you choose later in the process. To begin, sign in to your eToro account. Make sure you're fully logged in so you can access your account dashboard and portfolio settings without interruption. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Portfolio. This is where eToro shows your current investments, including any traders you're actively copying. Inside your portfolio, find the investor you are currently copying and open that copy relationship. This will take you into the detailed view, where you can manage the copy settings. Take a moment here to make sure you've selected the correct investor, especially if you're copying more than one person. Next, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the three-dot options menu. This is where eToro places additional actions for that copied investment. From that menu, select Stop Copying. Once you click it, eToro will present you with choices for how you want to end the copy relationship. At this stage, you'll typically see two options. One option is stop copying and keep positions. This means you will stop following that investor going forward, but any open trades that were copied will remain in your portfolio under your control. The other option is stop copying and close positions. This ends the copy relationship and also closes the copied trades associated with it. Be careful here, because this choice can immediately affect your holdings. After choosing the option that fits what you want to do, review the details shown on screen and proceed to confirm the action. It's worth reading this confirmation carefully so you understand exactly what will happen once you continue. Once the process is completed, go back to your portfolio and verify that the copy relationship has ended. You should be able to confirm that the investor is no longer listed as someone you are actively copying. That final check helps make sure the change went through successfully. And that's it. You've now learned how to stop copy trading on eToro. Thanks for watching.